Years, many areas will experience heatwave conditions this weekend. Temperatures today have already been on the rise. The hot spot looks to be in Monmouthshire, peaking at 29 degrees. It has been a bit fresher for some coastal spots, but even here, temperatures rising over the weekend. And if you do notice any hazy skies at times or quite vibrant sunrises and sunsets, that could be down to some of the smoke coming up from the wildfires in Portugal or from Canada. So that's one thing to look out for. So here's the heatwave anomaly chart there, and you can see these red shades showing how temperatures are higher than how we'd expect at this time of year. At the moment, signs, but by the time we get to the middle part of next week, that's when temperatures back down closer to average. As for this evening then, lots of late sunshine in store. There's some patchy fair weather cloud in places. The wind's typically coming in from a northeasterly direction. Overnight, that's when some cloud will start to spread in. It's mainly going to be for some eastern areas of the country where we get some light winds. Some patchy mist and fog is also possible. Overnight lows down to around 11 to 15 Celsius. Always mildest for coastal spots. As for tomorrow then, we're looking at a fine looking day. Once any of that low cloud mist and fog clears, plenty of sunshine across the country. Some patchy fair weather cloud is also possible. So those winds typically light to moderate in strength. The breeziest conditions found along the south coast. And you can see by those temperatures too, it's going to be a very warm, if not hot day. The winds for coastal areas coming in from the land, that's why they're going to be higher over the weekend rather than the breeze coming in from the sea. So yes, up to about 28 Celsius locally. As for Sunday then, high pressure still on the scene, and that's drawing in air from the near continent. So a continuation of fine, hot, settled conditions. Sunday, the slightly less hot day of the weekend, but even then there's not really much of a contrast to Saturday. Lots of dry, sunny conditions expected. The breeze coming in from typically the east with highs of around 24 to 26 Celsius. Again, the winds typically light to moderate in strength, and it's always going to be along parts of the south coast where again we could see some quite gusty conditions at times, but I think the windiest conditions this weekend will be found to the south of us. Looking further out then on Monday, whilst most areas should still achieve those heat wave conditions, which for most of us is 25 or 26 Celsius in parts of the southeast, I think later on the day there is the chance for some heat waves, so that's one thing to watch. By the time we get to Tuesday, there's also the chance for some more cloud and showers. So I think as we head towards the middle part of next week, that's when you'll start to notice a change. And those temperatures back down closer to average Wednesday onwards. So for more of us, back down to the low 20s. So for most of you, that will be more comfortable at that stage. That's your latest, Lucy.
Sabrina, thank you so much. And